Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this exceptional low mileage Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, registered the 5th of December 2025 on a 75 plate with only 311 miles and presented in yellow ribbon. This one owner from new example is in outstanding condition as you would expect from such little mileage and features two rider modes, Performance and Eco, an easy to read and navigate color TFT display, ABS and Bluetooth connectivity. With its punchy and engaging 450cc liquid-cooled engine, the Guerrilla 450 delivers a smooth, usable power and is incredibly easy and confidence-inspiring to ride. Always a firm favorite for those riders on an A2 license or for those looking to return to biking. This low-mileage adventure bike would leave us serviced where required with a full PDI inspection and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. We offer nationwide delivery and a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424444448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.